One's own duty, though devoid of merit, is preferable to the duty of another well performed. Even death in one's own duty's performance brings blessedness. Another's duty is fraught with fear. Book title Yug Gita 1. Ever wondered how are teachings of Gita, Karma Yoga and Sankhya Yoga relevant in contemporary times? Bhagavad Gita is a scripture full of deep, profound knowledge, and every time one reads it, one gets new meaning or new dimensions, perspectives. Although several authors have explained and translated Gita, this Yug Gita explains its relevance in the present times. The significance of reading and understanding Gita is to understand it as the voice of God and assimilate it so that it reflects in our daily life. The author has written Yug Gita to understand our duties and responsibilities as per Gita in the current times. 4 parts of Yug Gita have been written so far, and this first part of Yug Gita covers the first 3 chapters of Bhagavad Gita. This part covers how can one do social service as per Gita Karma Yoga and how to practice spirituality in our daily life. Gita will always take the limelight in all centuries. Still, when comprehensive, extensive changes are about to happen, Yug Gita is an essential text. After reading and contemplating it, we can make ourselves powerful and act wisely and make a difference to the society we live in. Few excerpts from the book. Not doing enough contemplation, being too attached, and inaction are the biggest hurdles to become a true disciple. Be attached to principles, ideals, not to relatives who will die one day. You should be connected to dharma and regulations. Never be attached to injustice. This Karma Yoga, even if done little, will relieve you from the fear of birth and death. Even with short practice, you will attain moksha. If you start your journey this way, even a single step will not go in vain. There will not be any hurdle that you will not be able to cross. Lord Krishna makes this bold promise to assure and convince perplexed Arjun again and again. Few topics from the book. I know who you are and why you are born. Dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. I will take birth to re-establish dharma in all times. You will reap what you sow. How to become a divine karma yogi and how to become free. See work as God and realize Him. Get this world by yajna and that world too. Sharing knowledge is the best karma. Cross this world by knowledge. Satisfied seers end destination. Arise India and establish yourself in yoga.